This is the Lensbaby Velvet, a series of 3 prime lenses, a 28mm, a 56mm, and an 85mm. The perfect focal lengths. The Velvet has a manual aperture that gets softer and smoother as you stop down, giving you great control of the effect. A metal construction, so it's built to last. Smooth manual focus ring, all the way to macro on all 3 lenses. At the wider end, it's tack sharp and a great portrait lens. Stopped down, it's so soulful and vintage-like that it's almost like painting with light, especially at macro focal lengths. Great for landscapes, portraits, nature, macro. Every hour becomes magic hour in the glow of the Lensbaby Velvet series.